Ako pala si Darmy Soriano, nakatira sa Luna, La Union. I work as a US Navy, as aviation machinist mate. 6 years in California now. Since nag-graduate ako ng high school, napunta na ako doon, like 18 years old. Nadapo ako ng lolo ko. So ngayon, kinuha nila ako doon, kaya doon na ako nagtrabaho para matulungan yung pamilya ko. The challenge is the culture shock. Like yung una, first month, second month, kasi iba yung paglaki natin dito, iba doon, like the language, all that, like the bully, the Asian, like something like that. But if you're like going through every single day, parang masasanay ka rin. At the end, like it's just a normal day. Yung first, second months is like the hardest. Parang gusto mo nang umuwi, tumira na lang sa Pilipinas kasi libreng bahay. In California, lahat doon bibilin mo, like all, like you're gonna pay rent, car, like everything, apartment, like bills, electrical, like, you know, kasi lahat ng sweldo mo nakukuha rin ng bills, so might as well just go home and spend time with your family kasi mabuti pa yun na nakakasama mo yung pamilya mo. My biggest achievement is nabigyan ko ng magandang buhay yung family ko, parents ko, like nabilang ko ng lupa, like napatayan ko ng bahay, natulungan ko yung mga kapatid ko, yung mga friends ko na, you know, like may kahirapan sa pag-aaral. Tinulungan ko sila para makatapos sila, para makakuha ng magandang pag-aaral. So, advice ko lang is kung may na-achieve ka na just be humble. Kahit kung mayaman ka na or whatsoever, marami kang pera, just be humble.